How to import Hyper-V virtual machines. Migrating virtual machines to a Hyper-V environment is crucial in maintaining a well-functioning IT environment. In this video, we'll show you how to import Hyper-V virtual machines step by step, using both Hyper-V Manager and PowerShell, along with best practices and troubleshooting tips. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Why import VMs? Importing virtual machines in Hyper-V is essential for tasks like system migration, backup recovery, and setting up test environments. Whether you're moving a VM between hosts or restoring it from backup, the process ensures flexibility and continuity in IT operations. Before you begin, confirm your system meets Hyper-V requirements. You'll need a supported Windows Edition and virtualization enabled in BIOS. Also, verify that you have administrative rights and access to the VM's configuration and virtual disk files. How to import VMs and best practices. There are two main methods to import a VM, using Hyper-V Manager or PowerShell. With Hyper-V Manager, open the application, select the target host, and launch the import wizard. Choose the VM's folder location and select one of three import types: register in place, restore, or copy. Registering in place uses existing files, restoring moves them to a new location, and copying creates a duplicate with a new ID. Follow the prompts, confirm the import settings, and complete the process. Once finished, verify the VM appears and runs in Hyper-V Manager. PowerShell offers a faster method for experienced users. Run this command and add optional flags like -copy or -generate new ID for different import types. Use get-vm to verify the import status. Common issues may include missing files, compatibility errors, or network adapter problems. Always match Hyper-V versions between hosts and configure virtual switches correctly. Use PowerShell's Set VM Network Adapter VLAN or Hyper-V Manager to resolve network issues. Best practices include scanning VMs for malware, creating snapshots before changes, and confirming storage integrity. Also, ensure virtual networks are configured properly to prevent connectivity failures after import. Hyper-V VM importing is powerful and flexible, supporting business continuity and efficient resource management. With careful preparation and the right method, you can ensure every VM import is successful. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to import Hyper-V virtual machines, linked in the description below.